Tonight, a state of emergency as wildfires rip through one of South Carolina's most popular state parks. Choppers dropping water at Table Rock State Park in the state's northwestern region. The flames already burning at least 1,000 acres and nowhere near contained. Take a look. You can see the smoke billowing high above the mountains behind me. Officials say that a lot of the trees knocked over by the remnants of Hurricane Helene last fall are adding fuel to these flames. Kathy Baer has been watching the winds push the fire closer to her home. And what do you remember seeing?
Well, the mountain was just aglow after the dark and then just continued to spread.
Sheriff Tommy Blankenship says his deputy spotted the fire Friday. The cause is under investigation.
When we are in these dry conditions, that even the slightest thing can be negligence. It may seem small, but it could end up impacting the entire community.
Fire alerts are in place from Nebraska to North Carolina. Outside Asheville, crews are battling 3 separate fires, with mandatory evacuations issued for some residents. Meanwhile, at a state forest in southern New Jersey, the firefight continues, the flames eating through more than 2,000 acres. A weekend of wild weather, refusing to let go.